Why is the most used seat in your house also the dumbest one? We've got smart TVs, we've got smart lights, and we've got smart fridges. But most people are still using a toilet that basically hasn't even changed since the 1800s. So today we're going to be upgrading the bathroom with the HOROW X70 Smart Toilet. And this thing has features I honestly never expected a toilet to even have. Auto lid, a heated seat, built-in bidet, a pump-powered flush system, even a foam shield. Yeah. So when you first see the X70, it already looks different from a normal toilet. It's a one-piece smart toilet, so everything is integrated. The tank, the bidet system, the sensors, the electronics. It's an all-in-one clean design. There's no bulky bidet attachments, no weird hoses hanging off the side, and the lid is automatic. Walk up, it opens. Leave, it closes and flushes. There's also a foot kick flush option if you want to keep things completely hands-free, and honestly, once you get used to not walking up and lifting the toilet seat up, it is so hard to go back to having to do that again.